Krishna is often considered as the ultimate teacher. The teachings of Lord Krishna are widely followed by his devotees all over the world. Out of many valuable lessons that Krishna has bestowed upon us, empathy, compassion, and righteousness are the most noteworthy ones. Let us first start with empathy and understand the various aspects of it in depth. In today's time, we can witness a lack of empathy in people all around us. Why is that so? Why is that one thing that makes us human is absent in people? Time after time, Krishna made sure that empathy was present in people's hearts. He has always been the biggest supporter and spreader of this virtue. Empathy for your family, friends, acquaintances, animals, nature, every living creature on the face of this planet is necessary. If it is important to treat your family and friends with empathy, it is also very crucial to look at the unknown person with an empathetic heart as well. It is only right to treat every being with the same amount of empathy, irrespective of gender, caste, race, status, etc. Lord Krishna has always guided the Pandavas, Draupadi, his children, and his devotees to have empathy in their hearts and think of the situation in a different light. The cruelest beings have also been treated with empathy by Krishna. This poses a very valuable lesson to all of us in today's world. It doesn't matter how advanced we become and what achievements we conquer, empathy should always be present to keep us grounded. The second virtue that the Lord Krishna has granted us is compassion. Empathy and compassion are very interrelated to each other. One can say, if a person has empathy in his heart, he sure will have compassion too. Compassion is the strongest virtue of all as it motivates people to go out of their way and help a person in need, physically, emotionally, mentally, or spiritually. Compassion gives us the satisfaction of being very useful to someone else and putting our knowledge to good use. Even if you cannot help someone fully, be there for that person and you have already helped that person a lot. Humans are social beings and we like to be surrounded by people who understand us. Compassion is therefore a great way to comfort the person in need. Lord Krishna has gone out of his way to help so many people in need and never once expected anything in return. That is how our approach should be as well. The more we speak about it, the less it feels each time. The act of choosing the path of justice and morally right behavior. What distinguishes good from evil is the willingness to act right or wrong. The lessons of Krishna on this topic clarifies to us the importance of righteousness in our lives. Choosing the right path and doing good for fellow humans as well as the world is the way to live a happy and true life. If you want to be true to yourself and to your life, choose the path of righteousness. Lead a peaceful life by keeping the teachings of Lord Krishna, empathy, compassion, and righteousness a lifelong companion.